2012 Chrysler 200S. We doing an alternator. First thing you want to do is, so you got a pop screw here, 10 millimeter here, 8 millimeter there, and then this tube just push on, and you just wiggle this loose, slide it. You'll also have this attached to the back right there. Just screw it off there. Boom, battery. Airbox out. Now you can focus on this wire harness. 7 millimeter, 7 millimeter, 7 millimeter, all the way across. Get it out the way. Push it to the back. Okay, so for the wire harness, it's not a size 7. It's actually the same size as the adapter for the Phillips and for these things. So I'm just gonna use this adapter to go ahead and get it off. And you should do the same, because I tried a 7 and 6 and they're not working. So unless you're a metric type of guy, they all look like that. I'll go down and go grab that. Alright, so after you get the 7 the both sides for the wire harness, get a tool like this and stick it in between them, separate it. Then you got more of them here, another one here. Then you got another one down there. And then go ahead and disconnect the fan. And to disconnect the fan, it's a little lift up tab on there, up under there. You'll scoop it with a hook and then pull it back. This way the same. It's got a little scoop tab on there. You'll use a hook like that. Get up in there. Alright, after you get the wire harness off, you got these little push tabs holding the fan to the radiator. You get those off using this tool. Hello? Alright, so to get this fan out, you gotta disconnect this upper hose. Push this side down. The bottom of the radiator, or the fan, keep catching the side of the radiator, so pay attention to that. Wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. Get it past this hose right here, and you'll be able to wiggle it up out of there. Of course, I'm not gonna be able to do it with one hand. Well, I'm gonna do it. There we go. But it took like 5-10 minutes to do that shit, so don't rush. Alright, so to relieve the tension on the belt, you want to go to this pulley right here in the back. Put the wrench on it. I mean, you can't really see it, but it's the furthest pulley in the back. A little slant on it. Put your wrench on it, push it back towards the passenger compartment. Then release the belt off the alternator. Be sure to disconnect the battery first. You know, it's ducked off over here. So I'm just gonna disconnect it from right here. You know, the positive terminal will come from down here. So just boom, take that apart and separate the negative two. So to disconnect the battery without taking the tire off, I just came over here to where the negative and positive are, and it's gonna be a 15 millimeter on both sides. 15 millimeter here too, and crack it loose. The one that goes on the other side is the one that goes directly to the battery. So take that one off, and then the one that sits on the top of this one is the one that goes to the battery. Take that one off as well. Now you ain't got no power going to the alternator. Now you can go take this 13 millimeter bolt off. Then you got a push tab on here. Push that red tab back, and then push that tab, and then it'll come off. Then you'll have 2 bolts right here at the top, and you'll have 2 bolts at the bottom. Oh, right there. Those 3 out. You should be able to wiggle it through the screws right here. It's nice size. Alright, so all 4 bolts affiliated with the alternator of size 13. Size 13, we got 1, 2, there's 1 on the bottom, and you got this one right here. That's it. That's all on that. Then you got the electrical connector. This right here. You move this red tab back, and then push this tab right here, and it'll come off. So you got 1 more 13 millimeter bolt hanging down up in there, right there above that pulley. This helped you out. Subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Go ahead and pull it out. Show you how to do it. I need to show that song, huh? People say they love me all the time. We are not fucking. People call me cuz all the time. Alright, so when you take the alternator out, make sure that it do not fall and hit your radiator. Put the fan out. Yeah, move this stuff back, and then you should be able to grab it and wiggle it. Well, don't do too much wiggling, because I don't want to beat up your radiator, but I'm going to do this with 2 hands so I don't. But you can get it up through here.